In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create website pop-ups in GoHighLevel. Pop-ups are a simple way to capture leads, promote offers, or highlight important messages without redesigning your entire page. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for so you can set one up quickly and confidently. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and opening your main dashboard. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Sites. This brings you to the area where all your site assets are organized. Next, select Websites. You'll see the list of sites available to you. Find the website where you want to add a pop-up. If you manage multiple brands or locations, double-check you're choosing the correct site so the pop-up appears in the right place. Once you spot it, click the website to open its workspace. Inside the website workspace, go to the Pages section. Pop-ups are added through the page builder, so choose the specific page you want to show your pop-up on. Many people start with the home page or a key landing page. Click Edit to open that page in the drag and drop builder. At the top left of the builder, locate the pop-up settings icon and click it. This opens the pop-up tools for the page you're editing. Now, click Create New Pop-up. You're setting up a new pop-up canvas that you can design within the builder. When prompted, click Add to place the new pop-up into your page's pop-up list so it's ready to customize. Next, use Quick Add to jumpstart the design. Quick Add provides common building blocks and layouts so you don't have to start from scratch. Choose the option that best matches your goal. For example, a simple layout with a headline, short description, and a call to action button, or a structure that accommodates a form if you plan to collect contact details. After you browse the options, make your selection here to load it into the pop-up editor. From here, fine-tune text, colors, spacing, and imagery so everything is on brand and easy to read. Keep your message concise, make the call to action clear, and ensure the close button is easy to see. If you expect mobile traffic, adjust font sizes and spacing so the pop-up is comfortable on small screens. It's also a good idea to preview the page to confirm the pop-up looks the way you want before moving on. And that's it. You've created a website pop-up in GoHighLevel by navigating to Sites, opening your website's pages, editing the page, launching the pop-up settings, creating a new pop-up, adding it, and selecting a starter layout through Quick Add. Follow these same steps for any additional pages where you want a pop-up.